Hey, I'm Miriam from Dorman Products, and today I'm going to tell you a bit about our hood handle repair kit you can see here. This fits a large group of Hondas and Acuras. Honda designed a plastic handle that's overmolded onto a steel shaft, and the handle is a bit weak. If you're watching this video, you're probably already familiar with the problem it causes. It snaps off. Honda wants to sell you the whole hood release cable, which is a little heavy on both parts and labor. Some sellers make a replacement handle that installs with set screws, but those can and do loosen up over time. We came up with a new Dorman OE FIX design that's both stronger than the factory design and faster to replace, saving you time and helping to prevent this problem from happening again. Let me show you how easy this is to install. I'm working on the bench, but the process is the same if you're in a car. Don't forget to slide the seat back to give yourself some working room. First, you'll need to remove the old plastic handle so the steel square shaft affixed to the cable is visible. In many cases, it will have come off completely, so this step is already done. If your old handle still has some remnants left, remove them. If you have a pair of pliers and strong hands, you can usually just crush what's left. For the actual installation, you don't even need a tool. Open the package, make sure the handle is facing the correct direction, line up the handle on the shaft, and give it a good, firm push. That's it! Our retainer is self-locking and actually provides a stronger lock on the cable as the handle is pulled. One extra tip to make it easier to open your hood in the future and prevent future issues is to lubricate the hood latch itself. You can do that with a light lubricant and an oiler, or ask your mechanic to handle it for you the next time you're in the shop for service. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Thanks for checking out our install on this hood handle repair. I'm Miriam, and I'll see you next time.